So we're back into the bottom half of this rear bar. Now we already have made the top frame here, bent that to suit. And what we're going to do is make 4 straps that go down the middle and 1 on either end. We're going to space this out on this end, get that strap down, and when we're finished, the bar right through here, weld all this together as support, weld all this together, refit it before we finalise it, and then get that out, get that painted, and then get this sorted out to be assembled on the rear bar, and work out the way, or the best way for this to be assembled to the bar. So we're going to get into that, get it all sorted. So we've got the bar work together. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it'll definitely do the job. It fits quite nicely back in here where we want it. So securing for this onto here is the holes all through the top here. Now these holes go in through the top half of the bar as well. So what we're going to do is mark this, take it out, drill it, temporarily screw this into this to cut all this out, prep that, get it all painted, and then when this transfers onto the other bar, we'll screw through both after it's clipped in and get it all 100% tied in. And that's the plan. So we're going to get that sorted now, and then we're going to cut the guts out of this, and we will sand it down, paint it, get it ready with everything else, which we're not far off being able to then paint the entire car. At the moment we've got it screwed in temporarily, but once this is fitted to the car, this is all going to have to get bent down a little bit just to clear where this screws onto, but otherwise we'll dress this up if we need to when it's fitted. We'll do a test fit before that, before it's all permanently put on there, I should say. But right now we'll cut all the back of this out and get it ready.